My husband loved the stand, he said everything is in one place. Great gift for my husband to organize his dresser. I ordered this product for my son at Christmas. The package arrived on time, and when he opened it, the packaging was really nice. The item was light tan and matched his bedroom furniture. Now he just has to stay organized. I purchased this wooden organizer as a gift for my father. He has always been very particular where his belongings go, and this gift was exactly what he needed. When the package arrived, you could tell the producer took time and effort to ensure the quality of their product. I think I may be purchasing one for my mother next. The hints were loud and clear. Perfect for a neat and tidy bedside table or office. Idea to keep everything together. My husband loved his gift. It is plenty big to house all of his items he leave on his nightstand. Perfect for a dad. Bought two, they loved them. Spouse thought it was great to keep everything organized on his nightstand. This is actually made of real wood. Tight craftsmanship. I ordered 2 different organizers, and this one was by far the better of the 2. Maybe slightly smaller than expected, so check the dimensions. Click link in description for more reviews.